Can you hear me when I go around the wall here? It'd be pretty cool if you can. All right, I gotta make a better intro, one that you haven't seen. All right, let's try it. Here we go. Wow, that's bad. I think I just like making videos. I'm sorry for the ridiculous. I don't know what that was all about. Like I said, just unsubscribe. I'm not even making leather videos at this point. What am I doing? Real quick, I just want to tell you who the winner is. But first, little update. I am next week gonna be filming, building a minimalist wallet. I'll film that. I'm also gonna do a how to build a Firefighter chin strap with a build along video. I'll be filming that this week too, but don't forget I have like 3 other videos coming out before then. I'm gonna be going on a little bit of vacation, but I won't leave you dry. There'll be at least 1 video per week. A good one, not these silly ones. Anyway, the winner is Mr. Caleb Zook. Caleb Zook. You like that? Editing skills? Mr. Caleb Zook, he is the winner. Yeah, that's it. So thank you for everybody participating. I hope you stick around on the channel. I'm gonna be really cranking it up in 2021. So hopefully you can stick around. That's it, that's all I got for you. Goodbye, God bless you, bye.
Thank you for hitting that bell notification.